Hello everybody, welcome back to your workshop. Today I finished building my frame with an engine on wheels, as you can see. So I'm looking pretty good. There's not much to it. So we got our coolant bottle, a racing nettle bottle for windshield wipers, our radial support. We got our, on red we got our engine, and silver we got our transmission, and this one here will be our carburetor cover. There's not much to it, just the engine and those parts under. Well, they got a few little screws here and there just to make some difference on the job. You can see. This will be our gas tank, our stabilizing bars, axle, brush shaft, and our muffler, all the way exhaust, all the way to the engine. It comes with a nice set of tires, good ears, GT radio. I think that's cool. Well, as you can see, there's not much to it. This will be our frame for our Camino SS 1986. Hope you guys like it. Go to Junior Workshop, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.